In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a photo to a sketch in Adobe Express using the Sketchify add-on. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you already have the photo you want to turn into a sketch available on your computer, since you'll upload it into the add-on in a moment. Over in the left-hand toolbar, click Add-ons. This is where you can find extra tools that extend what you can do inside Adobe Express. In the search field at the top of the add-ons panel, type Sketch, then find Sketchify in the results and add it to your project. Quick side note, for more straightforward Adobe Express tutorials, subscribe to Econ Control. Give Sketchify a moment to load. Once it's ready, its panel will open on the right side of the screen. Click Choose File, then use your computer's file browser to locate the photo you want to convert. Select the image and click Open or press Enter. Wait for the photo to finish uploading into Sketchify. Once it appears, you can choose a sketch style if you want to customize the result. You can also enable colored pencil at the bottom of the sketch styles for a more colorful hand-drawn effect. When you're happy with the selected style, click Sketchify. The add-on will begin processing the image, and you'll see a loader that says Sketchifying your image. This can take a little time, so wait for the conversion to finish. Once it's complete, the sketch version of your photo will be added directly to your Adobe Express project. And that's it. You've successfully converted a photo to a sketch in Adobe Express.